Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at the branches of internal iliac artery. The aorta, it has three parts. First part is an ascending aorta, followed by the arch of aorta and the descending aorta. This descending aorta continues as the abdominal aorta. At the level of the L4, the common iliac artery arises from the abdominal aorta. The common iliac artery divides into the internal iliac artery and the external iliac artery. The internal iliac artery, it has anterior division and the posterior division. The posterior division, it gives rise to three branches. It has only three parietal branches and it does not have the visceral branch. So what are those three parietal branches? The first one, it is a iliolumbar artery. The second one is a lateral sacral artery. The third is a superior gluteal artery. The iliolumbar artery is divided into iliac branch and a lumbar branch. This lumbar branch runs superiorly adjacent to that of the lumbar vertebra, whereas this iliac branch, it runs and curves around the iliac crest. The lateral sacral artery, it runs in front of the piriformis muscle. Okay. The superior gluteal artery, it exits posteriorly and gets divided into anterior branch and the posterior branch. So these three are the branches of the posterior division of the internal iliac artery. So mainly remember, it has only three parietal branches and it does not have the visceral branch. So the mnemonic of this posterior division, you can remember it is by PILS, that is P-I-L-S. So P is for parietal branch, posterior division, I is for iliolumbar, L is for lateral sacral and S is for superior gluteal artery. Okay. Then the internal iliac artery, which has anterior division. Okay. So this is the main part you have to concentrate. The anterior division, it has 8 branches in total. Okay. So how are you going to divide this 8 branches? So the 8 branches, it includes, there are 3 parietal branches and there are 5 visceral branches. Okay, so the 3 parietal branches, what are those branches? The first one, it is a obturator artery. The second one, it is a internal pudendal artery, and third one, it is an inferior gluteal artery. This visceral has 5 branches. So first one, it is the umbilical artery, which gives rise to the superior vesical artery. The umbilical artery gives rise to the superior vesical artery, and the other branches are middle vesical artery, inferior vesical artery, uterine artery, vaginal artery and the middle rectal artery. So there are totally 8 branches in anterior division. Thank you.